In this video, I'll show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Bitget. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you need to do is open up and log into your Bitget mobile app. If you don't have a Bitget account, I'll actually leave you a link down below in the description that can get you over 6,200 USDT in welcome bonuses and more. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right up here to the top left-hand corner and tap on this square profile icon. And we're going to search for and tap on convert. And from here, since we want to convert BTC into USDT, we're going to go to the From section and tap on the arrow right next to the current currency and search for BTC in the list. If you do not see BTC in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar and type in BTC. Tap on it. Now we're going to go to the To section and we're going to tap on the arrow next to XRP and search for USDT. Again, if it's not in the list, you can simply search for it in the search bar like this. Tap on USDT. Now you want to enter the amount of BTC you want to convert into USDT, and you're going to tap on this button right below to convert your BTC into USDT. And that's how to convert BTC into USDT on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.